Wanted to make a quick video on how you can upload images from your Google Drive to your Wix website. It's pretty simple to do, so I'll go ahead and show you it right now. First, we want to open up our Wix website editor. Then we want to come over to the left-hand side where it says Add Elements. From here, we want to select where it says Image and then Upload and Import. Then we want to select on where it says Upload Images. On the left-hand side here, we want to select the Google Drive. And then we need to connect our Google Drive to our Wix account in order to actually upload files. So let's go ahead and click on where it says Connect Google Drive. Next, you're going to need to choose a Google account that you want to connect to your Wix account. This is going to be the Google account that is attached to your Google Drive. And now that we have our Google Drive connected to our Wix account, we can actually see all of our files from our Google Drive right here. I just have this basic image that I want to upload. So what I'll do is click on the image and then click on where it says Upload Selection. Now we can see that image right here. If I go ahead and click on it and then click on where it says Add to Page, it's going to add that image to our editor, and we can go ahead and adjust it and place it wherever we would like. But that is how you can add an image from your Google Drive to your Wix website. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.